Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Check plus M plus 8. Checkmate. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our program. Please join me in welcoming back our champion, the lovely lady on my right. She is the mother of 3, grandmother of 2. She has won $13,187, including 3 fabulous vacations. Let's hear it for Butch Dresser. Welcome, Butch. Very colorful today.
Oh, yes.
All right. Ready to play?
You bet.
Meet your opponent. Newcomer to our program. His name is Thomas Rakowski.
How you doing, Alex? Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Where are you from? I detect an Eastern accent there.
Yes, I'm originally from Worcester, Mass., and I'm currently residing in Henderson, Nevada. I'm studying to be a craps dealer in one of the major casinos, hopefully.
Yeah?
Yes.
A craps dealer?
Yes, that's what they call us.
They call you dealers?
Yes.
Not croupiers and things like that?
If you take all the games, then you're a croupier.
Ah.
I'm only taking 3, roulette, blackjack, and dice.
Ah, I see. Okay. Here's a beautiful item that you could win and enjoy, I'm sure.
The Apple Macintosh Classic Personal Computer, a transportable system for home education and business tasks. Powerful technology that's easy to use. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Let's show our players, Butch and Thomas, where they find the computer. Easy to remember down there, lower right-hand corner at 25. Holiday in a Florida spa resort.
Whoa.
Thomas,
yes.
You get to pick first.
Okay, let's try my birthday, number 15, please, for the holiday.
Dishwasher.
Oh, I could always use that. I hate dishes. Let's see if we can find a match on the number 3.
Chandelier. No match. Butch.
Let's try number 7, please.
Wild card.
And 25.
25
Yes.
for the computer?
For the computer.
All righty. The other computer on the board right next to the wild card at number 6. 3 doors opening up.
A little too soon.
Yeah. Pick again.
Number 13, please.
Video camera.
And number 16.
Video camera, naturally done. No waste of a wild card there. Swing them open for Butch. Select.
Number 5, please.
Diamond
That
and
would
gold
be nice.
brooch.
Number 19.
Ooh.
Green take.
take.
Tom.
All right, we're still looking for the holiday. Let's open up the puzzle at number 11, please.
Wild card.
Wildcat, all right, yes. Oh, let's see if we can find it. Oh, let's try 14, please, my sister's birthday.
200
All
California
right,
lottery
California
tickets.
yes.
The man's taking courses to be a craps dealer, then obviously he's into gambling, and he knows about it. Let's see what happens when we show you the other California lottery tickets at number 18 and open 3 panels for you, Thomas. Pick again.
All right, we're still looking for the Florida Spa. Number 9, please.
Mahogany wall clock.
Let's see if we can find a match for the wall clock under number 20.
Red
Red
tape.
tape.
Butch, back to you.
Let's try number 2, please.
Athletic wear
Oh,
and
okay.
a gym membership.
Oh, good. I can use that. Number 17.
Athletic wear and the gym membership. Well, if you can use it and you win it, I hope you get a lot of fun out of it. Let's swing these panels open for Butch. Pick again.
Number 22.
Dishwasher.
Number 10, please.
No, that's the Florida Spa and Resort. Thomas doesn't like to do dishes.
I don't like to do dishes. I think it's under number 15 for the dishwasher, please.
Right.
And the match under number 22.
That's correct.
All right, yes.
Dishwasher for the man.
Oh, I gotta win. I don't want to do dishes.
All righty.
Hopefully.
2 doors opening for you, Thomas. Try it again.
Okay, let's open up the puzzle behind number 4, please.
Green take.
Green take.
Still a
Let's see if
wild
we
card
can
there.
find the wild card or the green take under number 23, please.
There's the wild card.
Right, yes.
So the green take is coming your way as soon as we reveal the other one. At number 19.
Number 19.
He's got that video camera, computer,
Oh,
gym membership, athletic
Video
wear.
camera, please, I'll take it.
Video camera?
Yes, please.
Video camera for Thomas.
Come on,
And-
let's make this now.
And perhaps these 3 pieces of the puzzle are enough to enable him to solve it. Try it again.
All right, let's see what's, the holiday is under number 12, please.
Yes.
Yes, and the match for the Florida Spa Resort, I believe, was under number 10.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Way to go, Thomas.
Yes. Oh. Come on now.
Come on, Top. Oh, it sounds as if he's at the table now. Isn't it?
Sevens.
Want 7s? Let's open these 2 panels. Try it again, Thomas.
All right, let's see. Let's try number 24, please. Red take. I believe the red take was under 20.
Yes. Well done.
Oh. Computer, Alex, please.
Computer
Yes.
for the man.
Now all I gotta do is learn how to run one if I win it.
These are easy. Easy PCs are a piece of cake. 2 panels at the lower right-hand corner, swinging open. Pick again.
Oh, God, I'm telling you. Number 21, please.
Mahogany wall clock.
Mahogany wall clock, I believe, was under number 8. Oh. No.
Sorry, Thomas. Butch?
Was that the wall clock under number 3?
No.
Number 9. That's where it was.
Okay, you've helped Thomas. He can start breathing and his heart can start beating again. Go for it, Thomas.
9 for the wall clock, please, and
Yep.
number 21 for the match.
Be still my heart.
Oh, please.
Now, you can pretty well clear the board, Thomas, if you so desire. We will open these 2 panels for you. Try it again now. 1 match will clear the board.
Okay, let me see. Number 5, please.
Diamond and gold brooch.
And I believe that was number 8. For the
Diamond and
match.
gold brooch,
Diamond
yes.
and gold brooch. Yes, my mother
Jewelry,
will love it.
jewelry going into your column.
Yes.
2 doors opening, and then we show you 1 and 3. They match. That's the chandelier. Now, Thomas, when we open these 2 doors, I want you to solve this puzzle for every prize but 1 in this game. Butch, can you do it?
I don't think so. Double exchequer?
Is it double exchequer? No, it is not, so I'm going to help you 2 out. This is something you do not want if you're going out taking photographs. Thomas.
Double exposure.
Is it double exposure?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Thomas. Go ahead.
All right, I was confused here. The DUH plus the bull for double. Then you have the X plus the photo for expose.
No. What is the model doing for the artist?
She's posing.
Posing.
For expose. And then sure for double exposure. All right. I don't believe it.
That's okay.
Oh.
All right, Butch. You have just been handed your first test. That's all, just your first. So you'll come back and play in game number 2. You can relax for a few minutes. Thomas will relax because he's going to stand here for quite a while Gene tells him about all of the prizes he has won.
Oh, thank God.
200 California lottery tickets, a diamond gold brooch, a mahogany wall clock, and a chandelier. Solid cast brass chandelier, triple lacquered for a maintenance-free, long-lasting finish, no assembly required, with 12 lights of Georgian elegance furnished by Murray Fice Imports, and a dishwasher. The electronic control RCA dishwasher features a systems monitor that warns users of potential problems. It also offers a 3-level wash system and a hard-working pots and pan cycle furnished by RCA and a video camera. Samsung's full-size VHS camcorder with advanced features including 8:1 power zoom and low light sensitivity furnished by Samsung Electronics, and the Florida Spa and Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Bonaventure Resort and Spa. Unwind in luxury, championship golf, tennis, 5 swimming pools, and world-famous spa facilities furnished by the Bonaventure Resort and Spa. And, of course, the handsome computer. And, Tom, we're going to give you a sedative and a prize package totaling $7,734.
$7,734 for Thomas and a drive of a brand new car when we come back. As if Thomas's mom is going to reap the benefits of all those prizes he won, but maybe she'll let him keep the car if he wins that. 15 numbered squares for you, 35 seconds, base time on the clock. Go to work for it, Tom.
Okay, 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
Nope.
11, 9.
Yes.
12, 15.
No.
7, 12.
Yes.
13, 6.
No.
6, 8.
No.
2, 3.
No.
3, 4.
No.
3, 8.
Yeah.
2, 15.
No.
4, 15.
No.
10. Maybe next time.
You hit a few. You got lucky on a few of them, but that's okay.
Yeah.
You haven't lost a game. You've won $7,734 in prizes. Who knows how much
Yes.
you're going to add to that.
Oh, I love it.
We'll get into game number 2 right after this. Welcome back. A big win in that first game for Thomas Laskowski. He handed Butch her first X, so she's going to have to work extra hard in this game. And if she does, she could use this to get into physical condition for her next contest.
To help you keep fit and trim, this Concord 300DX provides a home gym system with heavy-duty rollers and 220-pound weights furnished by California Gym Equipment Company.
I'm not sure you're supposed to be doing all of it at the same time, Marjorie, but you're looking good. And I like the silk dress effect. That's kind of neat for new exercise wear. Good. Relax, Marjorie. Take a nap. Butch and Thomas, take a look at the board, and we will show you where you will find the exercise equipment. Number 12. Only one wild card in this game, but we have a holiday in Cancun, Mexico.
Yes.
5 bonus car seconds and $700 in the cash pot. And Butch, you get to pick.
Wow.
Let's start with number 3, please, Alex.
Wild card. There it is. Cancun up there.
How about Cancun number 19?
19. Diamond topaz earrings. Good prize. The other earring at number 5. Open these panels right now for Butch.
Nope.
Pick again.
Number 7, please.
China service for 8.
And number 23.
Red tape. Thomas.
Oh, China service for 8 would be wonderful. Let's see, try my birthday 15 again, please.
Gym equipment.
Oh, that gym equipment would be super. Let's see if we can match it on the number 1.
No. Butch.
Was that gym equipment under number 18?
18. No.
Oh,
Pool table.
wow. All right, number 2.
Cancun.
Oh, Cancun.
Ooh.
Thomas.
Let me see if we can find Cancun here somewhere. Let me try 14, please.
Green take.
Green takes. Let me see if I can find a match for the green take under 22.
Yes.
All right.
A match.
A little insurance for the trip if I get find the trip.
Topaz diamond earrings.
No, I'm going to wait. Thank you.
All right. Insurance for the trip if he finds the trip, he says. Let's open these 2 panels for him.
Is it common sense?
Is it common sense? No, it is not. Go again.
We tried.
That's all right. Hey,
All right, Cancun, where are you? Number 13, please. Oh, a recliner. I could use that. That's for sure. Let's try to find a match under number 24.
5 bonus car
here's the
seconds.
second.
No match.
Ooh, I
Butch.
could use that. Number 11, please.
High-tech binoculars.
And number 21.
No. Cash pot.
cash
pot.
Thomas?
Wow, we've seen a lot of good prizes so far. Let's open up the board at number 25, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, where were they? God. Number 24? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I need it if I... Oh, baby, yeah. Oh.
You okay?
Not really. I'm having a great time, though, believe me.
I was just going to say, try and cheer up just a little bit. You want to use the take?
No, thank you. I want to protect everything.
Protect everything. All right.
Believe me. Thank you.
Open this up.
No, I still...
Okay. Select again.
All right, let's see what's on behind number 6, maybe, the holiday.
Pool table.
Pool table. Oh, I believe it was 18 for the match for the pool table?
Pool table, 18, yes. Getting more prizes up there that he wants to protect. I'll wait until you tell me about this.
All right, thank you, Alex.
Okay,
please.
2 doors, open.
This might help.
Pick again.
All right, let's try number 10, please, for the holiday.
Wild card.
Oh, I love it, yes. Number 2 for Cancun. Yeah.
There we go, Cancun indeed.
One time.
The other Cancun holiday at number 8. Put it up there for him. Open 3 panels.
Oh. Is it Bull Run?
Is it Bull Run? Hey. No, it is not.
Try it.
That's okay. Go again.
Let's open up number 9, please. Oh, wow.
Wild card.
Oh, here we go. Oh, high-tech binoculars, I believe, were number 11. I love them.
All righty. The other high-tech binoculars at number 1. Now, a lot more of this puzzle is about to be revealed, Thomas, so you might consider using the take to grab the topaz and diamond earrings. I don't want you to forget about it.
No, thank you. I'm going to protect the holiday in Cancun, hopefully.
All right. Open these 3 panels for him.
Does it count your change?
Does it count your change?
I don't know.
He doesn't.
We'll try everything. All right, number 12, please.
Keep running this plate till it works. Gym equipment.
Oh, the gym equipment. Ooh. Number 15, I believe.
Yes.
My birthday. Nice.
Open it up. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to go for the topaz and diamond earrings. Hands on your signaling buttons. We'll reveal number 4. Number 7. Whoa, Butch is in there.
Is it utter nonsense?
Utter nonsense, she says.
Yeah.
And she is right. Didn't see the bottom of the cow, but that's all right. She anticipated. Come on, Butch. You get to explain it this time. Don't go too far. Right
We
there.
have the utter plus the none plus the sense, utter nonsense.
Yeah, Thomas sort of was on the track there. He said common sense earlier, and I thought the sense would have stayed with you, and then when you saw the none, you'd have tried to put it together. But it didn't work out for you, Thomas.
Right.
Just 1 strike against you, but that's okay. You'll play again. We'll see
All
you.
right. Good luck, Butch. Win a car.
All right. Let's hear about this beautiful piece of jewelry you have just won, and we'll look at it down here.
Diamond topaz earrings, part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar line, crafted in 14-karat gold. These lovely earrings feature oval blue topaz, accented with 6 sparkling diamonds, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company.
Thank you, Gene. And Butch just mentioned to me that the topaz is her birthstone. Maybe that's a good sign, a good omen, as she gets set to play for a brand new car again with 55 on the clock. When we come back. Positive feelings about all of this, Butch. Thomas was so up. I think some of that's going to rub off onto you,
I hope so.
and it's going to work to your benefit right now. Here are
I
the
hope
15 numbered squares, and you've got a lot of time on this clock, 55 seconds. If you get lucky in the early stages, you should win a car. Go to work.
1, 2,
No,
3, 4,
no,
5, 6,
no,
7, 8,
no,
9, 10,
no,
3, 10,
no,
11, 12,
no,
13, 14,
no,
2, 9,
no,
15, 7,
no,
1, 8,
no.
1, 14,
Yes.
11, 6,
Yep.
2, 10,
Yep.
3, 8,
No.
3, 15,
No.
12, 15,
No.
12, 3.
You didn't make your first match until you had used up about 30 to 35 seconds, so that made it extremely difficult for you. You just weren't getting any luck. You sort of threw yourself in the middle of all of that. You started smiling as if you realized you weren't going to make it, but you were having a good time nevertheless. And you are having a good time because you've won $13,637 on our program, and you're going to continue. We're going to take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design, a great kitchen startup set. Includes powerful handstand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Butch, is there anything you can think of that would perhaps help you in the bonus round? A change in strategy?
A better memory.
A better memory?
Right.
But it works well for you during the games when it comes time to making matches and prizes and solving the puzzles. But up here, it seems as if you get a little nervous.
Yes, I think I do.
Well, if you get back here, you'll have a full minute. We'll take a break. We'll see you all next time on Concentration.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.